There once was a happy kingdom. It had a good king and a kind queen. The peasants were happy, then the animals were content, but the king needed an heir. Finally, the king and the queen had a child. It was their happiest time. All the observers came to see the child. There was great rejoicing. It was early spring. Children danced on the playground. The king held up his newborn child. The crowd cheered and cheered. My people, I welcome you, your new princess. Long live the princess. After I'm gone, she will rule. Long live the king. There is a problem, your majesty. What problem? Your heir is a girl, so? But sire, there will be no king, so? Sire, without a king, there can be no kingdom. How can we have a kingdom without a king? The princess will rule when I'm gone. It will be a kingdom. Long live the queen! The king held a mask that night. Everyone wore a mask. Everyone dressed up in female clothes.